welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome recipe, a super simple recipe, but a very needed recipe. With all the plant milks out there, we do not need to drink animal milk. No more! Today I'm going to teach you how to make oat milk. Now, I know there's plenty of plant milks out there and plenty of recipes, and they're all pretty similar. It's very simple to make your own milk. The great thing about making your own milk is that you get to control the ingredients that go into it. There's a lot of plant milks out there, but the ingredients that are in there are not good. It is super delicious, it is super creamy, it is super cost effective, and you get to control the ingredients that go in there, which are very few, under 5. I think. It's one of our favorites and we use it almost every day, if not every day. And you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, which is not that much, by the way. All you need is a blender and a nut bag. A nut bag. A nut bag. A nut bag. All you need is a nut bag. All you need is a nut bag. And that's it. So today I'm going to teach you how to make oat milk. The ingredients we're going to need are water and oats, and these are the must ingredients. Now all of these here are optional. I'm gonna use 2 dates to sweeten the milk. If you don't like your milk sweetened, then you can completely omit the dates, or if you don't like the flavor of dates, or if you just don't want to use dates, you can use agave, you can use maple syrup, you can use any sweetener of your choice. A pinch of salt, and that's to your taste. That's just to bring the sweetness and a nice balance to the milk. And cinnamon. Now this also is to your taste. If you don't want cinnamon in your oat milk, you can completely omit it. You can add vanilla. If you like your plant milk to be with a vanilla taste, that's what you would do. I don't like vanilla in my milk, so I like to add cinnamon sometimes. Sometimes I just do a very basic oatmeal, which is the dates and the salt, water and oats, and that's it. Today I'm gonna do it with the cinnamon. These are the ingredients we need, and now we get to do the fun part. What we need to do is, in a blender, we're going to add our oats, and the exact measurements for everything is going to be on the description box below. So we're going to add our oats, our water. If you like a thicker or creamier milk, you will add the amounts that I will put in the description box below. If you like it a little lighter, you can add an extra cup of water, or you can keep adding water to your desired thickness or creaminess. We also need the dates. I like to soak the dates in hot water before adding them in. I'm going to add the pinch of salt, and I'm going to add the cinnamon. And now we get to blend. I know you're probably shocked. Whoa, it's so easy to make nut milk. I know. Okay, now that we have it in, we're gonna turn our blender on, and it's gonna get loud AF. Okay, so I do want to let you guys know that I'm using a high-speed blender, and if you don't have a high-speed blender, you can just blend your oats on your regular blender a little longer, so it really breaks down the oat. This doesn't take that long. I love this blender. But now I'm gonna check it for taste, and I'm pretty sure it's done, but sometimes it be playing games. It's good. Okay, so this is what you want to do with very clean hands, like the ones I have. You're gonna use your nut bag. The nut bag. Why can't I say this? It's a nut bag. We need a nut bag. I'm a child. Okay. So we're gonna need a bowl or a container, because this is where we're gonna squeeze the milk onto. And these, you can find them on Amazon. anywhere. It's just a very fine cloth type thing that you squeeze the milk through, and it's gonna keep a lot of the residue. With the high-speed blender, you don't get as much. With the other blenders, I did get a lot more, but with this blender, I don't. But I do get a little bit, and with that, I'll let you know what I do later. So I'm gonna squeeze it right through, pour it in here. Now I will tell you guys, if you like your milk sweet, 2 dates is not enough. And to be honest, I typically make my oat milk sweeter than I do any other milk. I don't know why I do that, I just do. But I would have added another date, and I just don't have any. My mom actually brings me these when she goes to, I think Westmoreland. And they're really good. Oh, by the way, the dates were pitted. So make sure that your dates are pitted. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Don't add the pit in there. Take it out. And when you soak your dates in hot water, only for a few minutes, it's not even a long time, just hot water from the faucet. And when you soak them, it's very easy to remove the dates. Sometimes the pits are really hard, so it's hard to remove the pits. I'm getting really confused with pits and dates right now. It's really hard, but not really that hard, but it's just a little harder. It'll be super easy when you soak them. Anyway, you squeeze that milk out of that nut bag. You squeeze the milk out of the nut bag, and you get this creamy, yummy goodness, as you guys can see. It's gonna take us like no more than 5 minutes to make this. And if you have more people in your family, or you go through milk a lot faster, and you don't want to do this every so often, double the recipe. It'll last in your fridge about a week. It doesn't last us that long because we drink it. Okay, and this is what I have. There's a little stuff in there. I didn't get that much this time around. I don't know why, but you get a little bit of the residue. I typically get a lot more, but this, you get a smooth milk. Okay, and now that we're done squeezing it, I want you guys to see it. This is what we are left with. It is super thick and creamy, but not super thick. It's just very creamy and delicious. And I just wanted to show you a close-up, but camera's not in my favor. But it is really good, you guys. And now we get to pour it in a container where we can keep it airtight. It won't make it go bad or anything if you don't have it. It's just, you know, you keep it from getting, I don't know, I just like to close things when I put them in the fridge. Look at this. Yeah. Just like that, friends, we have a nice, creamy, delicious, homemade plant milk, and you guys will enjoy it. You will realize how much more you're paying for your plant milk when it's super easy to make and super delicious. Cheers. It's so creamy. Try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you like it, or if you don't, nut bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm SaharBelle, and this is Learning Everything with SaharBelle. I'll see you next time. Bye. There is almond milk. There is cashew milk. There is hemp milk. There is oat milk. There is a lot of milks out there. You do not need to have animal milk.